Wood ash has been used for centuries, both on the land and in the home. The wood ash can be gathered from any type of fire, from a wood burner, bonfire, barbecue. It really doesn't matter, as long as the wood is pure and not contaminated with plastics, paint or wood preservatives. Wood ash is easy to store and once dry can be kept in any container with a lid, such as a metal or plastic bin. If you want the wood ash as a fertilizer, you must keep it dry because it is water soluble.
Hello and welcome back to the garden. Today we're using our wood ash from our wood burner as a fertilizer for our plants. We want to use approximately 250 grams per square metre. We worked that out to be about the size of one of these small pots. It's only an approximation. Anyway, so there we go. What we're doing now, we're putting this onto garlic. This is going on our garlic that we planted about a month ago.
No longer than that.
Was it? So you just want a light sprinkling around here. Garlic's doing very well, as you can see. It's really springing up. Some plants are best not. I mean, there's a debate about potatoes with this, isn't there? Because this alkalises the soil a little bit, and so it's not right for every plant. But garlic and onions it's very good for, isn't it?
Yeah, they love it. So do the greens, cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage.
Kale, which we'll do in a minute.
Leafy greens, anything like
We'll
that.
go around the corner and do our kale in a second. But there we go.
Just remember not to get it on the leaves because it burns, and if you do you'll have to wash it off. So try not to do it when it's really icy.
Yeah. There we are. There are so many other uses for wood ash. Not only can you use it in the garden, but you can also use it around the home. Here are a couple of ideas of what you can use it for.
Wood ash gives icy path excellent grip, though it does stick to shoes and boots. We used it when turning our horses out. Their concrete path was still usable even during the worst weathers. That's how good the grip is. This is one of my favourite uses of wood ash, cleaning the wood burner stove glass door. All you need to do is get a damp cloth, dab it into the wood ashes themselves, and then gently rub it across the dirty glass. After removing the stains, simply wipe over with another damp cloth to remove the ash and then dry off. It's easy. The ashes are free and you are not spraying a cocktail of chemicals. There really are lots of different things you can do with wood ash. Some of them quite fun. My next adventure is going to be soap making, but last night I did clean the oven and that just came up a treat, so give it a go.
This is a tunnel that we bought last summer. It's a really good value actually. It was about 60 quid, 60 euros.
Yeah.
But unfortunately it got blasted in a gale and we lost the cover. So what we're going to do, we're going to make this into a fruit cage this summer. It's had our tomatoes in. We've got to clear them out. We're going to make it into a fruit cage, aren't we? Mm-hmm. And we've taken the cover, it's freezing today, it's about -2 I think, and we put the cover over on the greenhouse over there. We'll show you that in a minute. So that's really useful. It's tucked up the greenhouse.
It's slightly too big. I mean, this was a bigger one, wasn't it? This was 3 metres,
it's too
that
big,
one's
but
2.
It'll keep it nice, everything a bit warmer in there. So that's a project coming up. We've got to somehow find a net for this. I don't know where we're going to find that from. Online, yeah. But that should be our fruit cage, hopefully. So what we've got to do now is move these bags over there so that we can hold down the cover that we've just put on the greenhouse. So we'll get that done. God, that's very, very boggy. This is the very last of our spuds. Just pulled them out of the shed. Didn't know how they'd be, but to be honest, they look quite good. Look at this one here.
They've been kept in the dark though, haven't they?
Just cut that one in half. Look at that.
Lovely blue ones.
It's another thing of beauty. Look at that.
Yeah.
I'll have to have a few of them for tea tonight.
I like it when you get purple mashed potato.
Yeah, we'll give them a go tonight, I think.
Yeah.
We've just had a bit of a tidy up in the greenhouse. I just noticed on the thermometer here, we've got last night it went down to -4, and today at the moment it's at 1 degrees.
Feels cold.
We've got all our bulbs here. We've got all the bulbs that we've done. They're all coming up quite nicely. We've put the citrus in here, the lemons. We left them out a bit long, but we've got them in, so they should have a bit of protection. Got a little bit of Mizuna in here, look. We could have that for two of our little potatoes.
I think we've still got some Mizuna outside, haven't we?
Yeah, so now we've got to go and pick up Bob Cratchit, the cat, from the vets. He's had a little operation today. So we're going to go indoors, put a nice fire on for him, have a cup of tea, and then go and get Bob Cratchit, the cat. Hope you enjoyed our little video. Enjoy your gardening, and we will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.